Good morning. It's literally 3 in the morning and I went to bed at midnight last night, but we're going to New York. I'm only going for a day and I've managed to fit everything I need into this carry-on. Really, thank God I packed my airport outfit last night and it was just laying in ready for me. I am gonna just make a double shot of espresso and then I need to run downstairs and pick up a package, pack it, and then we're out of here. So, bag is in the car, everything is in the car. We're off to the airport. We're here in New York. I just landed. I'm waiting for my Uber. I'm so excited to be here. The weather is chilly and beautiful and gorgeous. Checked into the hotel. You guys have to see this. This is so much cuter than I thought it was gonna be, in a weird like haunted mansion way, traditional way. It's a historic building. Beautiful though. Like, I know I'm gonna sleep like a baby here. I have to show you the room. First of all, I'm a sucker for light fixtures and I have a chandelier over the bed and an entryway. Wait, let me put it in 0.5. When you first walk in, you have first of all, a hallway, like an entryway, which I love. Mirror here, full body. You guys know how I feel about hotels that do not have full body mirrors. Drives me crazy. Then we have this gorgeous bathroom. I literally love this. Like, it feels so zen and relaxing already. I'm like ready to take a shower with that little rainbow. Very antique chest. And guess what? Robes. I love a robe. And you walk over here. This is where I'm saying it gets very like haunted mansion. This is like a key. So beautiful. Little fringe, some snacks and some yummy things. And then how beautiful is this bed space? Not crazy about the lamps. I don't really know what the vision was there, but everything else, like this I love. This is very, very cute. Little seating area. Maybe I'll get ready here or in the bathroom. I'm not sure yet where, but I love to have a little desk area. TV, beautiful carpet, and wood floors. I love it. Like, I even have to show it to you from this view. Like, this is so cute. It really reminds me of the place that we stayed in the Hamptons a few years ago. Very cottagey. It is so hot in here though. I will say that I need it to cool down immediately. I'm gonna unpack and unwind. I'm gonna unpack, and then I did see a bagel place on the way over here down the street. I am starving. It is like 1 now. I feel like I'm getting a lot of content for TikTok on this trip, which I'm really excited for. So if you're not on my TikTok, what are you doing? Is this not the most beautiful thing? Look at this architecture. Oh my God, you guys. I just knocked out for 2 hours. I wish I could only explain to you guys how sleep deprived I am in my life. Now it's time to get up. Fulvic minerals, lemon, lavender oil, coconut nectar, and vegan probiotic. Hello, that sounds so good. I was wondering if I could place an order for a few drinks. If I could please do 1 cortado and 1 of the raw juicery, the cleanup. Amazing. And would you mind also sending up just maybe a cup of ice as well? Thank you so much. We're gonna get started on the hair because I need to figure this out. Thankfully, this is a fresh blowout. I know it doesn't look like it. It's very frizzy because I didn't put any product in after because I didn't want it to get oily on the flight. Fresh blowout. I'm gonna do a side bang. Never do a side bang, but I have this look in my brain. We're gonna do a side bang and the bottoms are gonna be flipped. I have yet to know if they're gonna be flipped in or flipped out. We gotta figure it out. I do not have the green juice that I wanted, but they do have a different one. And I'm down. Give Give me any juice. I brought my Dyson. I always bring my Dyson with me when I travel, usually because I will do my hair before I travel, and my Dyson is not strong enough. I don't know if it's just me, it's like my hair is too thick for it. This keeps falling out, so I only use it for touch-ups or for the extensions. Like, it's easier to just bring the different parts instead of like a full curling wand, full flat iron and stuff like that. I don't really know what I was thinking bringing something like this. Completely different color than my hair. I cannot get away with this. No, but this is what I wanted. Side.
Yes, yes.
Cup of ice is so I could depuff. I wanted to get my hair out of the way first, but since it's here. Cheers. Ooh, that's strong. That's exactly what I need. Okay. I'm leaving to the event. I did my whole get ready with me for TikTok and Instagram, so go check it out. But this is the look. I am obsessed with it. I love it. I really have to run though, so we'll talk in the This is what heaven looks like. Oh my god, you guys, I am exhaustido. I feel like at this point, you guys know the drill that I don't, if I'm in New York, must get Joe and the juice. Right? I didn't have it. There's no milk in here. Why would they do that? Would be really good with milk. I'm just gonna go downstairs later and get milk. Anyways, I got home so late last night, somehow even filmed the getting ready, like getting unready process, showered, packed everything up. I'm gonna sit and eat this, and then we gotta go to the airport. So let's do it. I don't remember if I told you guys this or not, that I was nervous about my outfit because every time I go to brand events and stuff, I'm wearing like all black, and I didn't feel like I was experimenting enough with my fashion and my looks. So I was a little nervous for yesterday's outfit. I loved it. I got so many compliments. It was truly a topic of conversation for most of the night with everybody I met or everybody I was seeing again. That was so much fun. Like, I love how fashion unites. A lot of people were actually surprised that I put it together and that I didn't have a stylist, which I was like, whoa, that is like such a compliment. I don't even, wow.